Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will share with you how to allow Google Meet screen sharing on a Mac. First, click on this little Apple icon from this corner. Select System Settings. First, you will land on the General page. Scroll down to Privacy and Security. Now scroll down again, looking for Screen and System Audio Recording. Click on it. And here you will see Google Chrome. Make sure to check this to toggle this option in order to allow the application below to record the content of your screen and audio even while using other applications. Check it like this. Google Chrome may not be able to record the content of your screen until it is quit. So hit quit and reopen to make sure that the Google Meet screen sharing is allowed on Mac. And this is how to allow Google Meet screen sharing on a Mac. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.